Hello. So to start, I'll be making a video tutorial about conversion, adding number system, hex, binary, and decimal. For our problem number 1, I'll be converting binary to decimal. Problem is 101 binary to decimal. To convert the binary number 101 to decimal, we multiply each digit by its power of 2, starting from the right side at 2 to the power of 0. So 1 times 2 to the power of 0 is equals to 1. Next is 0 times 2 to the power of 1 is equals to 0. Next is 1 times 2 to the power of 2 is equals to 4. Now since that we have our values, our results, we add them together. So 4 plus 0 plus 1 is equals to 5. Now we have our answer 5. Our decimal answer 5. And, and for the next one, I'll be converting decimal to hexadecimal. Mm, to, our problem is 26. To convert the decimal number 26 to hexadecimal, we use repeated division by 16 until our quotient reaches 0. Then we read our remainders from the bottom to up. Now, 26 divided by 16 is 1 with a remainder of 10. Since why is it 10? Since 26 minus 16 is equals to 10. That is why the remainder is 10. 10, or in short, in hexa, 10 is equals to a. Now, for our new quotient, which is 1, we divide it again by 16. Well, 1 divided by 16 is 0, is equals to 0, and we will be left with a remainder of 1. Since our quotient now is 0, we stop reading and we do it by reading our remainder from the bottom to up. Well, since the bottom one is 1 and the up one is 10, or a, then we reach the point making our final answer 1a, and that is for the conversion about decimal to hexadecimal. And for the next one, adding binary system. So to do this, we explain the rules. Well, the rules is 0 plus 0 is equals to 0, and 1 plus 0 is equals to 1, and 1 plus 1 is equals to 0 with a carry of 1, and that's it. Now let's start. We add this problem. 1011 plus 0110. Start. So 1 plus 0 is 0. Is 1. And 1 plus 1 is 0 with a carry of 1. And 1 plus 0 is just 1. So 1 plus 1 is 0 again with a carry of 1. And 1 plus 1 is 0, 0 again with a carry of 1. Since there's no more number below, we just drop it 1. And that's it for the adding binary system. And that's the end of the video tutorial about conversion adding number system, hex, binary, and decimal.